Oil prices edged higher, supported by positive forecast for China's economy. The business activity indexes published today far exceeded analysts' forecast, which forced investors to take a more optimistic view on China's economic prospects. This means that demand from the world's second-largest economy will grow, thus heating up the oil market. At the same time, a bullish run in oil prices was limited by a sharper than expected jump in US crude oil stockpiles. Nevertheless, today's macroeconomic calendar includes data on fuel inventories in the United States, which are likely to decline. In this case, oil prices will extend gains. Thus, Brent crude oil futures gained upside momentum, rising above the level of $83.50 per barrel. The volume of long positions will increase further if the quote breaks through the $84.50 mark. Instead of falling to $1,800 per troy ounce, gold saw a rather impressive rebound. Its rally coincided with the dollar's broad weakening, though the latter has short-lived and insignificant. Most importantly, when the dollar resumed gains, gold continued to rise, albeit at a slower pace. The current movement looks like a full-fledged correction after prolonged decline. However, in fact, gold has returned to $1,825 per troy ounce. The level is it has been trading around at least 2 weeks. In other words, the yellow metal remains stable. Thus, a drop below $1,800 per troy ounce is likely to be delayed until the next FOMC meeting to be held this month. Until then, gold is expected to trade in the range of $1,800 and $1,850 per troy ounce. Now let's move on the ruble. At the end of the last year, the Russian government repeatedly said that the most comfortable exchange rate for the economy was 75 rubles per dollar. After that, the Ministry of Finance announced an increase in the volume of foreign exchange interventions with a view to dragging the ruble down. In the mid-February, the dollar stabilized at 75 rubles. Of course, there are some price swings, but they are purely local in nature. Now much depends on the Ministry of Finance. If it stated that the target has been achieved and it's time to reduce the volume of interventions, so the ruble will begin to recover. And the Bank of Russia will also have a profound effect on the market. If the regulator sticks to monetary policy easing, the ruble will come under pressure. And that's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. See you soon.